In this example, we'll build a workflow to evaluate contract risk. The input will be a supplier's proposed contract, and the output will be a report outlining key risks based on a risk scoring framework. Let's start by creating an agent that will extract the clauses from the contract. Open the Agents page, then select and test a model. Click on the Advanced tab and open the Settings section. Change the agent type to Structured Output. We'll configure the agent to extract multiple clauses from the contract. Let's increase the context window and output length, as the contract may contain a lot of text. Save the changes when you're ready. To test this first step, I've created a contract document, which includes a few risky clauses. When you're building a workflow, it's a good idea to test and optimize each step individually. Let's copy and paste the contract into the chat and check that our agent can extract its clauses. Looks good. Let's create the second step in the workflow. This agent will take each clause from the contract and evaluate its risk. Open the Agents page, then select and test your model, as you did with the previous agent. Click on the Advanced tab and open the Settings section. Let's change the agent type to Iterator. An iterator takes a list of inputs and processes them one by one. In this case, the agent will receive a list of contract clauses. It will then evaluate each of these clauses using the instructions that we'll provide. Increase the context window and output length values to accommodate large contracts. Save the changes when you're ready. Head to the Configuration tab and open the Instructions section. We'll instruct the agent to assess financial, legal, reputational, and operational risk for each clause, using the framework provided. Save the instructions when you're ready. Let's create a third agent to write a contract risk assessment report. This agent will receive the evaluations from the previous step and generate a summary. Go to the Agents page and configure its models. We'll increase the context and output length as with other agents. Click on the Configuration tab and open the Instructions section. In this example, we'll provide a simple prompt, although in reality you'd probably want to be specific about the composition of the report. Finally, we'll create a workflow agent that will run the 3 steps we have defined. Let's set it up, starting with configuring its models. Click on the Configuration tab and open the Agent Team section. Here, we'll add the 3 agents we created earlier as team members. Head to the Advanced tab and open the Settings section. Change the agent type to Workflow and save. We can now open the Workflow section and chain together our 3 agents. Here's the complete workflow. Let's test it out using the contract I generated as input. Here's our report. In this demo, we use the chat to interact with the workflow. In a production deployment, we would normally access the agent through the API, as we looked at in another video.